Hi guys, good morning. Student attire for this day. Grabe na miss kong mag-vlog. For today's vlog nga pala guys, punta tayo sa Rome, Italy with my partners in crime. With my babe Beth. Ayan po ang napakaganda kong partners in crime. Well anyways, padulong na kami sa Rome, Italy. Charot! Ayan po guys, papunta kami sa Rome, Italy version here in Hong Kong, which is located in Aix-Champs-Chapelle Service Reservoir. Dito yan guys sa Shikip May Exit A. Actually guys, ano yan, unplanned. Unplanned yan kasi wala kaming mapuntahan ni Beth. Hindi pala lalabas yung isang friend namin kaya naisipan na lang namin gumala. Ayan nga, ang dami naming bit-bit. Kasi tatambay lang sana kami sa park. Tapos mag-picnic-picnic. Kaya nagluto si Beth ng mga makakain namin. Pero ayun nga, naisipan namin na pumunta sa Rome, Italy. Hong Kong version. Guys, after exit A, right side, diretso lang mga 10 minutes. Tapos tawid kayo sa pedestrian lane at makikita nyo yung school na yun. Hindi yun church, mukhang church lang pero school yun. Pagtawid nyo, left side kayo, paakyat na yun. At makikita nyo agad yung entrance na yan. Mag-hiking kayo niyan ng mga ilang minutes guys bago makarating dun. Hindi talaga planado guys kasi yung outfit ko hindi talaga pang hiking yan. At ang dami naming bit-bit. Para kaming Christmas tree na naglalakad. Tawa kami ng tawa para kaming baliw na dalawa. Pero okay lang guys, nag-enjoy kami kahit kaming dalawa lang. Tsaka di namin akalain, oh my god, ang dami-daming tao pala pagdating namin doon guys. Grabe yung linya, napakahaba pala uy. Kailangan pala pag pumunta ka dito, medyo aga-agahan mo ha. Kung ayaw mong, Diyos ko, napakalayo ng muntik na kaming umatras pero inisip namin yung inakyat namin. Ayan nga, may nakilala kaming mga Pinay. Nagdadalawang isip din sila kung itutuloy nila kasi mahaba ang pila niyan guys. Total nandyan na rin kami. Inakyat na rin namin ng medyo lang naman matagal. Hindi ko rin akalain na parang hiking yung gagawin namin. Guys, may part 2 pa to sa winter. Isasama namin yung gustong sumama. Guys, ito yung pinaka-entrance talaga. Sa labas pa lang makikita mo ang ambience na talagang mukhang historical talaga ang place na to. At pagpasok mo guys, ay nako, para kang pumasok sa bulsa ni Doraemon. Kasi yung pakiramdam na mafe-feel mo talaga na para kang nasa Italy. Guys, sa part 2, step by step ang pag-vlog ko. That time kasi hindi kami prepared. Marami akong hindi nakunan bago pumasok dito. Guys, enjoy watching muna kayo.
I don't wanna be too much, but I just wanna feel your love. I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. I'm losing my sanity, you take me under. For you I surrender, you're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live. Let me live again, I'll take no more from you. You got my soul, oh. You let me fly, you let me go, oh. Now you're gonna see it clearly. You go out on the weekend, you want me then you leave me.
Guys, pagpasok nyo dyan, may timer yan. Hindi kayo pwedeng mag-stay ng matagal kaya mabilisan ang pag-video-videos, photos, ganon. Tapos palabasin na kayo lahat, next batch naman. Thanks for watching guys. We'll see you next vlog. Thank you.
You're making me land on other side of gravity.